Yeah, Sugandha, can you hear us?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, but sir, I cannot see my poster.
Okay, no, we are making it, no problem, huh? Please wait.
Okay, sir, okay.
And please be crisp, huh?
Yes, sir.
Don't focus much on introduction and basic part. Just discuss about your results. In 3 minutes, you have to finish.
Okay, sir, okay.
Is it visible? Sugandha, is it visible now?
Ma'am, not to me. I'm sorry.
No, it's visible. It's working, right? Sugandha?
Ma'am, I can't see it. Ma'am, sorry, I can't see it, ma'am.
Yes, Sugandha, you can start.
Okay, good morning, sir. Sir, I can't see my poster yet, but I'm anyways starting. Good morning, sir. I'm Sugandha from GV Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Panagar. My work is on medicinal plant Arnavia benthemite. It is distributed. It belongs to Boraginaceae and distributed at an altitudinal range of 3,000 to 4,300 meter above sea level. The plant is valued for its root that contains red pigment chiconin, and chiconin has antibacterial wound healing activities and actively being tested for several kinds of cancer. The flower shoots and normal shoot are also used by locals. So it is exploited indiscriminately, and the rationale of my study was that the plant is under certain category critically endangered. It is second among the 59 plants prioritized for the conservation in Western Himalaya, and plant is also difficult to propagate at it is monocarpic and perennial, and seed also poses dormancy, so the plant is difficult to propagate. So the objective of my study was to develop an efficient protocol for the rapid and sustainable propagation of Arnavia benthemite. For this, seeds were collected from Balpata, Bugyal, Chamoli, Uttarakhand. The seeds were then surface sterilized with 1% Tween 20 solution for 20 minutes, 1% Bevistine for 30 minutes, and 0.1% HgCl2 for 3 minutes under laminar airflow. Seeds were then inoculated on MS medium, and epicotyle plants from 1 month plants were used as for further experimentations. MS medium augmented with 3 cytokinins, BA, TDZ, and metatopolin, and 2 kinds of auxins, IAA and IBA, were tested for bud induction and root induction. The type and range of plant growth hormones were selected on the basis of literature on the same or related species, and some new combinations were also tried. After 60 days of inoculation and 30 days of subculturing, we found multiple microshoots producing with an average of 22.67 shoots per X plant, which came from using metatopolin as cytokinin, followed by microshoots 19 in number from TDZ group. The average shoot length was also maximum in the metatopolin group, as we can see in the chart. Since IAA and IBA were more effective in root formation than the others. However, IAA gave better results than IBA for root induction. But when IAA and IBA were tried...
Please wind up in 30 seconds, Sugandha.
Okay. They give the best results, and the rhizome also developed under a certain condition, concentration, which was highly reproductive. We also found the adventitious root formed under a certain accumulated red pigment that was localized on the outer layers, and we saw that through microscope. This pigment was further chemically tested for being chiconin, and in conclusion, we produced an efficient protocol for shoot and root induction for this critically endangered plant.
Okay, Sugandha, good. Okay, good.
Yes,
Thank you. But we have to just manage time so that we can finish it on within the schedule. Okay, thank you so much. Now, one quick question. What is the market value of this plant?
Sir, market value as of sir, as current estimated annual trade of this plant is 100 to 200 metric ton according to NMPB India. Sir, Chiconin particularly, it's very costly. For $59, it was sold $59 for 10 mg. I found it online.
Okay, but you might be having some idea about the rate in Indian market.
Sir, if locals sell it, they sell it. Sir, that's not properly registered anywhere because, sir, I
Okay,
searched it.
okay, good. But you just try to find out this answer because this is a question, because when you are going for micro propagation, na, like using tissue culture, then you are enhancing the cost. So your like intervention should be cost effective. Huh? Okay, thank you so much. Huh? Thank you for the presentation. Yeah, can we have the next presenter, please?
Bhagyashree, are you online? Are we audible there? Are we audible, Bhagyashree? Maybe you can unmute yourself there.
Because I think you are displaying from your, like, it is from your side, like she is sharing or you are sharing?
No, we are sharing.
That's what I'm saying, na? Because see the candidate, whoever is online, you share that presentation and invite.
Everybody is online.
Okay. Bhagyashree, you are there? Okay. Bhagyashree, you are there? Can you unmute yourself? She is visible.
Basmatari. We'll go to the next person. So we'll go to the next presenter.
Yeah. So trying to do that. Look that. No, this.
Bhagyashree,
This is this. The cursor is not coming up. The cursor is not showing you. Cursor नहीं.
Hello.
Yes, Bhagyashree. Is that you?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Was the screen visible there?
Screen is visible, but my PPT is not showing there.
Okay.
I mean, just.
I think you share her.
Should I start? Ma'am?
Yeah, Bhagyashree, so you'll be having 3 minute time total. And after 2 minutes, you'll hear one bell. There will be a bell. So try to wind up within 3 minutes.
Sure, sir. Should I start?
yeah, please. Go ahead.
Good morning, one and all. Present here offline and online. Myself, Dr. Bhagyashree from All India Institute of Ayurveda. I'm today here for presentation of my case report, which is entitled as the management of eczema.
Bhagyashree, just wait for a second. I think you cannot see your presentation now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just a second, please. Yeah, now please go ahead.
So I'm going to present the case report, which is entitled as the management of eczema with the Ayurvedic therapeutics. Eczema is the umbrella term under which the many conditions like atopic dermatitis, contact dermatitis, dermatitis and nummular eczema are included. And among them, the nummular dermatitis is a condition where there is a
round shape lesion get seen in the patients, and about 0.1 to 9% range of prevalence of this disease has been seen in the patients. This condition can be compared with the Pama Kushta, which is explained in Ayurveda classics. So for this condition, the purgative therapy in the Ayurveda classics. So 31-year patients visited to All India Institute of Ayurveda Hospital with the same complaints, circular itchy patches on her left foot since 2 months, and there was itching with reddish and whitish in nature, and other systematically patient was stable and patient were having the family history of the same condition. Also, in this patient, we gave the Avipatika Churna 3 grams by a day with warm water for 15 days, 15 minutes prior to meal. Similarly, Amalki Churna given to the patient 2 grams for 15 days. Similarly, 15 minutes prior to meal. Panchanimbadi Churna was given with the same doses and timing. Brihat Parichadi tel was given to the patient for a local application. So after the 15 days intervention, patient got relief. Her skin structure was appeared to be normal, and her hunger was increased, as hunger play a main role for showing the good health. And her bowel was also clearer than before, and there was an overall improvement in the patient within the 15 minutes, as you see in the picture. So patient was visited to hospital with a uh, uh, in the autumn season, which is known to be for the pitta aggravation. And pitta dosha is the main culprit for the such kind of singularities. And in such conditions, purgative therapy, that is which we called as a viration, was intervened. And we given the Amalki Churna to the patient, which has shown as the DNA repair activity, and also it help in change skin tonicity and cell regression. Similarly, Avipatika Churna work on the same way. It pacifies the Pitta dosha, and talking into the modern literature, it reduces the oxidative stress, uh, which help to cure the disease. Similarly, Panchanibhati Churna is mainly indicated for the various kind of skin diseases, and we give it to the patient.
Okay,
We
Bhageshri, thank you
give
so
the
much.
yes, sir.
One thing I would like to ask that do you have some topical application for eczema in Ayurveda?
Yes, sir. We gave the marichadi tel, and there are so many other preparations also. In this patient, we given the marichadi tel, looking into the patient constitution
Okay,
and
and
all.
what is the ingredient of that topical application?
Sir, main ingredient in that is the marich, which is we called as piper nigram, and other ingredients are there. And base of this preparation is the sesame oil. Sesame oil.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bhageshri.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So those whoever you find online, na, just invite them. Huh?
Pratibha, are you there?
Next, you can see whoever is online, you can announce.
She's online. Sir. Also, sir. You guys there? She's not there. Ruchi? Sanjay, it's working. It's working now. It's showing here. What Ruchi, is a presentation visible there? If you're online, then you can start presenting.
Yeah, let's continue Ruchi, na? She's already.
No, but she is not there, na? Because we can display, but we are displaying from our side, na?
Sushmita Kaur, you can start presenting.
Share the post.
Sushmita is there. Sushmita, you are online?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Sushmita, is it Sushmita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Can you see your poster?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, please start. So the total time will be 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, you will get a bell. And please try to conclude in 3 minutes. Please go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I am Sushmita Kaur, a PhD fellow from Assam Agricultural University. The topic of my poster is comparative analysis of the soil properties of termite mounds and their adjacent soils under bamboo land use. So termites are these that belong to the order Exoptera, and some of the soil inhabitants they collect fine soil particles from deeper soil depths and use their salivary secretions to construct these earthen structures called termite mounds. As a result, they are involved in various soil formation, soil conditioning, and cycling processes. So these termites are ecosystem engineers, and they are homes to each sites of clay, organic matter, and various soil nutrients. So in our study, we tried to soil physical and analyze physical and chemical properties of the mounds and then compare those properties with that of physicochemical properties of the surrounding soils. And it was observed that there was a higher which might be because of the occurrence of the termites soil particles in construction of their mounds. And there was also a higher percentage of organic carbon in the mounds compared to the adjacent soils, which might be because of the deposition of plant debris and as well as the termite carcasses in the mounds. And because there's a stage of clay and organic carbon in those mound soils, the cation exchange capacity of those soils was also much higher compared to that of the adjacent soils. And because there was a organic matter content in soil, the nutrient the nitrogen, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur content in the termite mounds was also observed to be significantly low in termite mound soil compared to that of the surrounding soil. So, looking at all these results, we can that the termite mounds are very rich in
Okay, Bhageshri, please conclude.
yes. So, looking at these results, we can say that the termite mound soils are very rich in nutrients. And at the time when we are focusing on organic agriculture and when we are focusing on putting organic to reduce dependency on inorganic so these termite mound soils have a huge potential to be used as organic additive, especially by marginal farmers in India. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Bhageshri. One quick question,
Sushmita, sir.
oh, sorry, Sushmita. One quick question, have you analyzed for any harmful chemical in the soil? Some like allelopathic kind of effect?
No, sir. Currently, I am my current study is focusing on heavy metal concentration content in the termite mounds. But this is a part of my master's research, and it was not focused. Sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Shuchi Sharma, you can start presenting.
Yeah, Suchi, can you hear us? Suchi, are you there? Yes, Suchi, are you there? We can take the next if she's not there. Yeah, Suchi, can you hear us?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, is it Suchi?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Shuchi.
So, Suchi, your total time is 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, you'll get a bell and then try to come wind up within 40-45 seconds after that.
Okay, sir.
Please start.
Good morning, sir. I'm Shuchi Sharma. The topic of my poster presentation is sustainable use of agricultural waste of rice crop as a biofuel, its potential and challenges. Biofuel rice straw has many widely acclaimed as the most attractive food stock for the bioethanol production, and about half of this waste is burned in the field, resulting in massive amount of gases such as carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, volatile organic compounds, and suspended particulate matters. And the present approach of generation of the biofuels from post-harvest rice crop residue is a possible step toward generation of the renewable energy sources to improve the prevalent status of the energy demand. And the environment degradation and energy crisis related to the current trend of increase in daily consumption levels are burning problem at the global level. So we need to use as a rice as a production of bioethanol. These are some of the data that the yield to wide ratio of the different countries. Now, why the rice should be used? Because the rice has a bulk density, and 100 gram of paddy rice can form up 2 kg of the hulls during the milling, and more than 110 million tons annually collected at the rice mills, and its moisture is around 10%. Energy content is 14 to 16 joules per kg, and main carbohydrates are the cellulose and the lignin. And it contains about 16 to 22% ashes, 90 to 96% of the ash is a silica. And the higher ash melting point than ash from the rice straw, less slag deposits when burned for the fuels. Now, rice required the various pre-treatment method before conversion into to the ethanols, and these are some of the methods, some of the chemicals, and some of the pilot physical methods. These are the different methods. After undergoing the physical and chemical method, the enzymatic hydrolysis is done, and glucose is related, which is simultaneously under simultaneous saccharification and fermentation is done by mucor. And these are some of the treatment methods. These are some of the methods and the percentage of ethanol that we get.
Yes,
And
Suchi, please wind up.
Conclusion is that it is the if we will use the rice as a food price will increase, and the need for transparent global market policymakers should be there, and the shareholder arrangement for the small farmers should be arranged, and co-products which are released also that can be used. And its future scope is and challenges. One of the most prominent challenges is the recalcitrant nature of the rice straw, and which is a big challenge for the biochemical conversion of rice straw to the bioethanol production. And the successful operation of the pilot project and field scale application should help the farmers in utilizing the harvest energy. And the price for food stake is
Okay,
most
Suchi.
crucial factor.
Okay, thank you so much, Suchi. One quick question. Can you give me one advantage of this rice straw as compared to on other agriculture bio waste?
Sir, it is actually second waste that is normally burnt in the field that causes the smog or that causes the air pollution, and that can be minimized to some extent.
Okay, okay, thank you. Huh? I was not asking that actually. Okay, thank you. We can have one more, one more, I think. Huh? 1 to 2. Just see who is there.